Now, this is how you can find screen mirroring on the iPad. Let's get into it. So if you're new to this channel, make sure that you are subscribed to it, as you don't want to miss videos like this one. Essentially, you can find it in the control center of the iPad. So just swipe down from the top right corner and look for the icon which has like two rectangles laying on top of each other. Like that is the icon for screen mirroring. It is possible that you cannot find it right here, and if that's the case, just tap on the plus button, then click on Add a Control, and look for the screen mirroring right here, and you'll be able to just add it as a toggle to be accessed anytime in the control center. And right now you can just start using it. Of course, when you click it, you'll be able to see like which devices you can mirror your screen to. Like it might be an Apple TV, it might be a MacBook, or anything else, right? So if you click on see more, there are some options which are going to appear. Obviously, it's like using the same technology or like same connection as the AirPlay, which is a bit different, as you know, with AirPlay you are only sharing the content, but with screen mirroring you are sharing literally everything that's going on the screen. So it's a bit different in the principle, but you know, it works using the same tech. So you can also find like devices to be part of your screen or the AirPlay right here. So hopefully it makes sense. Let me know if you have any additional questions below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you later in the next tutorials.